Hello, this is Team Atlas. Welcome to our video prototype for the final project in Human-Computer Interaction, CS6750 at Georgia Tech. I'm demonstrating our final parking app prototype that emerged from our user evaluation of initial prototype. This mobile interface combines contextual map overlays with advanced filtering controls, the two strongest concepts from our first iteration. Let me walk you through how it works in a real parking search scenario. As you can see, we have a map of downtown Los Angeles with over 100 parking markers displayed. The map is larger than the phone viewport, 2,000 by 2,000 pixels, so I can pan around and zoom to explore different areas. This was important because users needed to maintain spatial orientation, understanding where parking options are relative to their destination. Each marker represents an actual parking facility, and you see suggested parking lap with this list. Notice how the map moves smoothly as I pan. This natural navigation reduces the learning curve since it mimics how people explore physical maps or map application, such as Google Map. At the top, we have 4 preset modes: balanced, budget, safe, nearest. During evaluation, users told us they wanted quick decisions without configuring everything manually. So if I tap budget, the system automatically prioritizes low prices in street parking. If I tap safe, it emphasizes high safety scores and well-lit commercial facilities. This supports both novice users who want instant results and expert users who understand the underlying logic. Now let me tap this filter button in the top right. You can see the highest importance section. This was an innovative solution to a challenge users expressed. They have different priorities but don't know how to set the filters. If I click Add of this option here, I can add double weighting in our ranking algorithm for this option. So if safety is absolutely critical to me today, I add it here, and the system ranks parking lots with safe scores much higher without me manually adjusting every slider. Scrolling down, you'll see all the individual filter controls: price range with a dual thumb slider, distance, parking type checkboxes, safety and volume toggles, and star ratings. Each uses the appropriate input mechanism that matches how people naturally think about that parameter. And notice this reset button at the top. If I overfilter or want to start fresh, one tap clears everything. This error tolerance was important for encouraging exploration. Now let me show you the map overlay system. See this button in the top right? If I tap this icon, I can click to open safety layer or volume layer. Let me first click the safety layer, and the colored contour zones appear showing safety levels across neighborhoods. Green for safe areas, yellow for mild, red for dangerous zones. This gives users the bigger picture before they start looking at individual lots. Let's try the volume layer, showing historical volume of parking usage with semi-transparent shading. Green for quiet areas, yellow for average usage, red for busy areas. We made it 50% transparent because evaluation feedback warned about visual clutter in dense cities. Users can see both the base map and the overlay simultaneously without cognitive overload. I can toggle either layer independently or use both together. One small detail: if I pan all the way to the edge of the map, watch this red flash. That's feedback telling me I've reached the boundary, so I don't wonder if the app froze or is loading more content. Let me tap on this parking marker. Notice 3 things happen simultaneously. The map recenters to keep the lot visible in the upper portion, a detail card slides up showing the parking lot image and key information, and the corresponding entry in the bottom list highlights. This multi-channel feedback confirms my selection clearly. The detail card shows the parking lot image, price, distance, safety score, volume level, and user rating. If I want to read reviews, I tap this button showing the reviews of this parking lot. And you can also see the marker and the map remain there above. We kept these visible because they provide context. Users can see where the lot is and what it looks like while reading reviews, reducing memory load. I can scroll through all the reviews here, and each shows star ratings visually for quick scanning. Finally, see this white bar at the bottom? Tapping here opens my order history where I can check which booking is actively happening now. Important when I'm returning to my parked car and need to reference my booking details quickly. This prototype demonstrates how we synthesized visual clarity, flexible control, and distributed cognition to support diverse parking decisions from quick selections to careful comparative analysis. Thank you.